And in this short video we're going to look at the idea of inverse proportion, which works around the idea that as one amount increases, another quantity decreases at a similar rate. So for example, if the speed doubles, then the time taken for a journey, the same journey, will halve. If the time is trebled, so from 10 up to 30, sorry, if the speed is trebled, then the time taken will be a third of that time. If we quadruple the time, multiply by 4, then the time taken for the journey will be a quarter of that time. Now, a very magical thing happens. If we multiply the two quantities together, in this one, it's a different colour pen, we get 300, so 10 times 30, let's multiply those together. 20 times 15 also gives us 300. 30 times 10 gives us 300. 40 times 7.5 gives us 300. And 6 times 50 gives us 300. So there is a constant number when you multiply the two quantities together. So what we can say is, in this case, speed times time equals a constant. Or, written another way, speed is equal to a constant divided by time. And this idea you'll see an example which I'm going to go through next. So this is the idea of inverse proportion. Moving on, we're now going to look at how we can change the words into an equation that links together P, which is inversely proportional to Q. So our starting point is to say that P is proportional to 1 over Q, i.e. it's inversely proportional to Q. We can then say that P is equal to a constant divided by Q. Rearranging that then says that the constant K is equal to P times Q. So we take our two values in this example. So P is 10, Q is 3. We multiply those together and we get 30. So our equation for P in terms of Q will be P will equal the constant, which is K, which is 30, divided by Q. And then we can use that formula for any values of P and Q that we wish to use.